how to turn on and turn off battery protection on Samsung Galaxy A05. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on and turn off battery protection on Samsung Galaxy A05. If at the end of this video guys you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing to do is to go to your phone and open up your settings. From this settings page guys, go ahead and scroll down until you get to battery. Click on battery. From this battery page guys, you see a lot of options. You have battery protection. It will adjust charging behavior to extend the lifespan of your battery. If you want to turn it on guys, just toggle on this button. You can see the changes. Turning it on will extend the lifespan of your battery. Then if you want to turn it off, just come back to air, then go ahead and click on the button again. That is how to turn on and turn off battery protection on Samsung Galaxy A05. You find this video so helpful guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.